Welcome to our podcast. Today, we are exploring the world of interactive content for engagement. In simple terms, if you have ever wondered how company grabs our attention and keeps us engaged, you are in for a treat. Let's dive in. I am your host Sneha Shetty from Inspyr Maleshwaram. So, what is interactive content? It's like when companies create stuff that we can interact with, like quiz, games, and surveys. Instead of just passively consuming information, we get to actively participate and engage with the content. Let's talk about some example of interactive content. Ever taken a quiz or find out what type of pizza you are? That's interactive content. Companies use these fun and engaging activities to connect with us in more meaningful way. Why is interactive content important? Well, for one, it grabs us attention. When we see something we can click on or interact with, it's like a little invitation to join the fun. Plus, it keeps us interested and entertained, which makes us more likely to stick around and learn more about the brand. Interactive content also helps companies learn about us. When we participate in quiz or survey, we are giving the valuable information about our preference, interest and behaviors. This helps them create better products and services to our needs. But it's not just about learning, it's also about building relationship. When companies create interactive content that's fun, informative or helpful, it shows us that they care about engaging with us beyond just selling stuff. It's like they are saying, "Hey, let's have some fun together." So, how can you use interactive content? Well, if you are a business owner or a marketer, you can create quiz, games, or surveys related to your brand or industry. You can share them on your website, social media, or email newsletters to get people involved and excited about what you have to offer. Thank you for tuning in.